Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can set up Wise account to receive money. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for Wise. Now, open the first website and you will be redirected to this page. Here, click on the register button at top right corner and you will be prompted to enter your email address. After that, click on Next and select the account type. If you are creating this account as a freelancer, I would recommend you to select the second one, but for now, I am going to create a private account. Now, select your region by either looking for it manually or by using the search bar above. Once done, click on Next, enter your mobile number and click on Get Verification Code. Now, you will need to install the Wise app on your mobile device. So, let's switch our devices. Here, select Register and enter the same information as before. After that, enter the security code sent to your mobile number, tap on Done, and your account will be created. That's how you can set up Wise account to receive money. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.